sleepover.
Yeah. Naomi, who are you dating? What's your boyfriend's name?
Jace.
How old is he?
He's a Miss Girl.
I said,
What?
how old is he?
Is
Is he 6 years old, 7 years old? How old is
I
he?
know, I forgot.
How old are you?
6.
You're 6 years old?
You missed my birthday.
I know. Sorry.
Philip.
Do you love your mom
Yeah.
so much?
Yeah.
You love Cadence?
No. She doesn't like me. I don't like her.
Do you like Phoebe?
Yeah.
Do you like Destiny?
Yeah.
Mm. Did you go on a date with your boyfriend? Yeah? When?
A lot of years.
You went on a date with him a lot of years?
Then we played Kissy Girl.
What's Kissy Girl?
Lex, you kissed them. We played that.
Is it fun?
Yeah.
Baka. I'm just kidding.
Don't you dare real at me. If you do, I'm running away.
I'm just kidding.
Okay, go sit down, Naomi. Naomi.
Miss.
Stop. Naomi. Sit down. I'm going to ask you some questions. Was he in your class?
He's in my school.
What grade is he in?
Just like I do.
SK.
SK? Mm.
I hate these holes. I hate them. But I tried them and they taste gross. But I tried them again.
Do you got any likes yet?